Let's be real for a moment. Surviving in Pakistan in 2025 is undeniably tough. It's a daily hustle, a constant navigation through challenges that can feel overwhelming. Inflation bites hard, squeezing your wallet with every purchase. The news is consistently grim, painting a picture of economic uncertainty. And every trip to the market, whether it's for groceries or essentials, feels less like a routine chore and more like a strategic battle. The system, with its bureaucratic hurdles and slow processes, often feels like it's designed to keep you running in place, expending energy without making real progress. You find yourself working harder and harder, putting in longer hours, just to stay afloat, just to maintain your current standard of living. The constant political chaos and relentless economic pressure make any attempt at long-term planning feel like a cruel joke, a futile exercise in wishful thinking. But here's the twist, the silver lining, the hidden opportunity. This very chaos creates opportunity. It breeds innovation and opens doors. When old rules break down and established systems falter, new gaps and niches open up for those who are agile, who move fast, and who think smart, creatively adapting to the changing landscape. The digital wave, relentlessly disrupting old industries and traditional business models, is simultaneously making new millionaires, creating wealth for those who embrace the future. Pakistan's young, energetic, and increasingly educated population is a goldmine of potential, just waiting for the right direction, the right guidance, and the right opportunities to unlock its true value. The real question you need to ask yourself: will you simply complain about the problems, or will you actively solve them and get paid handsomely for your efforts? This is your roadmap, your guide, to building lasting wealth in a tough and challenging landscape. Forget those tempting get-rich-quick schemes and empty promises. We're talking about real, actionable strategies, concrete steps you can start implementing today to build a sustainable future. Adopt a problem-solver mindset, a proactive approach to challenges. See every complaint, every frustration as a potential business idea waiting to be born. Bad traffic grinding the city to a halt, that's a logistics solution waiting to happen. Consistently poor customer service experiences, build a better brand, a brand that prioritizes customer satisfaction. Notice a significant skills gap in the workforce. Start a training institute, equip people with the skills they need to succeed. The future unequivocally belongs to those who can spot friction points, identify inefficiencies, and then leverage modern tools and technologies to solve them effectively and efficiently. Be the bridge builder, connecting people and resources, not just another critic pointing out the flaws. The future is here, and it's rapidly changing the landscape of opportunity. In 2025, a degree is just your entry ticket. It's the foundation upon which you'll build your career, but it's not the whole building. Real money, the kind that gives you freedom and security, comes from high-income skills. These are the abilities that businesses are willing to pay a premium for. Digital marketing tops the list. It's the modern storefront. Every business, regardless of size or industry, needs to be online to thrive. And if you can bring them customers, drive traffic, and boost their online presence, you're incredibly valuable. Coding is next. It's the language of the future. Pakistan's IT exports are booming, fueled by talented coders and developers. And the best part is, you can learn online for free. There are countless resources available to get you started. Data analysis is gold. It's the key to unlocking hidden insights. Companies need people who can sift through the noise, identify trends, and turn numbers into actionable business decisions. But don't underestimate the power of soft skills, communication and sales. They multiply your value exponentially. If you can't sell your ideas or clearly explain your work, you're leaving money on the table, guaranteed. Learn to write a sharp, persuasive email, pitch innovative ideas with confidence, and negotiate effectively to get what you deserve. These skills let you lead teams, win over clients, and build a brand that people trust and respect. Stack technical and soft skills strategically for maximum impact and career growth. The right skills, combined with hard work and determination, are your ticket to wealth and a fulfilling career. Want to get rich and achieve financial freedom? Go where the growth is, tech. It's the engine driving Pakistan's future economy. Fintech is exploding. revolutionizing how we handle money. Digital payments are becoming the norm, online loans are more accessible than ever, and investment apps are just the start. This sector is ripe with opportunity. E-commerce is booming, transforming the retail landscape. Don't just sell on Daras, think bigger. Build your own brand, find a niche that resonates with you, and use social media to connect directly with customers, building a loyal following. Freelancing is a real career now, offering flexibility and independence. Pakistan is a global leader in the freelance market. Offer your skills to the world and tap into a global network. Find opportunities on Upwork or Fiverr and build your portfolio. The creator economy is huge, empowering individuals to become media empires. Build an audience on YouTube, sharing your passion with the world. Connect with viewers on Instagram or TikTok and monetize with ads, generating revenue from your content. Secure sponsorships or launch your own products, building a sustainable business. It's not just about being an influencer, it's about creating value. Teach, review products, entertain your audience, or share your journey, inspiring others along the way. Consistency and creativity pay off in the long run. These sectors are where the new wealth is being made, shaping Pakistan's economic future. Dive in, be proactive, and claim your share of the prosperity. Earning is just step one. If you don't manage your money, you'll always be chasing it. Track every expense, use an app or notebook. You'll be shocked where your money goes. Make a budget. It's not about restriction, it's about control. Build an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's your safety net. Start investing early. Inflation eats savings, so make your money grow. Try mutual funds or national savings schemes for safe, steady returns. The magic is in compound interest. Your money earns, then those earnings earn more. Start small, be consistent, and let time do the work. Don't fear the jargon. Learn the basics and take action. Make your money work for you, not the other way around. In Pakistan, connections matter, but not the old Sifarish way. Build a real network, peers, mentors, collaborators. Show up at events online or offline. Use LinkedIn to connect thoughtfully. Ask for advice, not favors. A 15-minute chat can open doors. Mentorship is a career superpower. Find people you admire, learn from them, and build trust. Networking is two-way. Help others, share knowledge, and connect people. Be known as someone who adds value. Genuine relationships beat a long contact list. Your network is your shortcut to new opportunities. Relying on one job is risky. A side hustle is your safety net and your ticket to freedom. Use your skills. Write, design, organize, or teach on platforms like Fiverr or Canva. Productize your skills. Offer packages, not just hours. Try affiliate marketing. Promote products, earn commissions, no inventory needed. Build an audience with a blog, YouTube, or social media, and monetize your influence. Aim for passive income, ebooks, courses, or ad revenue that pays while you sleep. Start small, stay consistent, and let your side hustle grow. Don't wait for perfect, take action now. Your future self will thank you.